The LLM operation space is crowded, and differentiation is fading fast. Platforms race to match each other's features, leaving users to wonder what really sets them apart. Today, my goal is to understand how the user experience differs across platforms. Weights and biases Weave, what's up next?
All right, weave time.
Weave's documentation has a really easy quick start for getting traces set up. All that's required is to initialize your project within Weave, and then mark your function for tracing with @weave.op. Next, I started building my evaluation pipeline. Weave actually gives a full tutorial on building an evaluation pipeline from the ground up. However, it's not the best at explaining how to integrate with an existing app. Evaluations within Weave are pretty similar to Langsmith and BrainTrust. Weave has to create an evaluation object containing a dataset and a score, where the dataset contains the input and expected output. After, you need to build a scoring function and define which model you're using. Finally, you run the evaluation and you get your result.
Oh, nice.
I ran into a slight bug where my evaluation score was sent in a different log than my dataset. However, that bug was easily fixed with Cursor. Weave caters pretty heavily to RAG applications and fine-tuning models. They provide you with great local scores for detecting bias and hallucinations, and tutorials for setting these up within your own RAG application. Like with Helicone though, this platform isn't exactly for my use case. Because Weave caters pretty heavily on RAG applications, the integration takes a little bit longer as it requires multiple class definitions. However, the customizability and ease of use once set up makes up for that. I'll give ease of integration a 17 out of 30. Weave has so many features I didn't have time to try out. I only really got to trying out the evaluation pipeline features, all of which worked quite well. One nice aspect I appreciated was the LLM output within the dashboard was formatted with a drop-down feature for every attribute of the returned object. I'll give quality of current features a 27 out of 30. As for quality of aid to my issue, it offered all I really needed to get things working, 8 out of 10.